Hi, Amarie. I'm making this video just for you, honey. Okay, so let's talk about the next level of multiplication. So you are practicing and getting good at 1 digit times 1 digit. But look here, what if it's 2 digits times 2 digits? I wanted to show you some of these. So let's save these for now. Let's talk about this kind, 2 digit times 1 digit. Okay, so let's just look at that one, 13 times 5. So how you do this is you do this problem first, all in the ones column. So 5 times 3 is 15. Did you say that before me? I count by 5 3 times, and I could even use my 3 here. 5, 10, 15. So it's just like the addition where we carry. So the answer here is 15. Just for a visual, my answer is 15. I'm going to put the ones in the ones column, and I'm going to put the tens, this digit 1 over here in the tens column. Okay, now in multiplication, now we multiply this way. 5 times 1 is 5, and then we add this guy. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus, so it's always plus the one you carried. 5 plus 1 is 6, so the answer is 65. Okay, let's do this one. 16 times 5. Okay, I'm going to do this first, 6 times 5. So I'm going to count by 5 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the answer is 30. So in 30, what goes in the ones? The 0. Carry the 3 over here to the tens. I multiply this way. 5 times 1 is 5. And then remember, plus the one you carried. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Okay. Now this one, this looked funny to me. I have never seen worksheets write it this way, and I even asked Mrs. Brosco, because she was a 3rd grade teacher for a long time, and she said when you see them like this, just rewrite it with the bigger number on top. Put 14 on top times 9. We could get the same answer, but she thinks that they might write it this way in another country or something. But for now, just rewrite it with the big number on top. So what would that be? 14 times 9. 4 times 9. Do you know the answer? I'll show you how I know. Anything times 4, I do a doubles twice. So it's 4 9s. So 2 9s are 18, and 2 more 9s are 18. 8 and 8, 16. 1, 2, 3, 36. So which one's in the ones column? The 6. So I put the 6 at the ones, and I carry the 3 up here. I multiply this way, diagonal. 9 times 1 is 9, and then I add the number that I carried. 9 plus 3 is 12. Look at that. Now we're getting into big numbers. What do you think? So I will try, Amarie, to add a worksheet to just you. I'm not sure I can do that, but I'm going to try. Look at this one. Here's a hint. Anything times 11 is going to be this number twice. It's going to be 55. That's a little secret just to make it faster. Watch. So 11 times 4 is going to be, you know how the secret anything times 10 is this number plus a 0, right? Well, anything times 11 is this number twice. And I'll do it for you to show you. Look, 4 times 1 is 4. And then I multiply this way, diagonal. 4 times 1 is 4. But that works for every number. 11 times 6, 66. And you know this rule, 10 times 6 is going to be this number plus a 0. 11 times 8, what do you think that would be? 88. 10 times 8 would be 80. So that's just a little hint. So anytime you see 11, you just know it's this number twice, 55. So this one you could do how I just showed you. 3 times 8 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2, and then go this way, diagonal. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 2. Okay, and then I don't know if I'll add this worksheet. This kind, 2-digit plus times 2-digit, would be another step. Let's save those, okay? So I'm going to try to find a worksheet with just problems like this. What would this one be? 5 times 5 is 25. Put down the 5. Carry your 2 up here. 5 times 1 is 5. Add the 2. 7. 75. Okay? And when you see them like this, Mrs. Brosco said to rewrite them. You know, we could get the same answer. 7 times 6 is 42. Put down the 2. Carry the 4. And you could go this way, but I've just never seen that. So I feel more comfortable with you putting the bigger number on top. Multiplying 7 times 1 is 7. It still works. 1 times 7 is 7. Add the 4. It would still work over here. 6 times 7 is 42. Put down the 2. Carry the 4. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. It still works. Okay, Annie. Send me a picture. Let me know if it's hard or if you need more clarification on it.